Paul. Yes. Just looking at this title, number 11, Guardian ad litem's, as to cases actively involved. Records restricted under this rule, stipulated in writing to allow public access to any court records otherwise restricted under. File a motion supported by an affidavit showing good cause, yes, for access to any court record under Section C2 above for the granted access to such court record with specified written notice to the of the motion shall be provided to all parties in the manner required by laws. Yes. If the person seeking access cannot locate a party and provide the motion required. Now, I've been named as a party to lots of court cases, and they seem to not be able to find me. Yes. But I was a little concerned because this good faith effort to find a person named as a party, pooch, when you mail something and then you say, well, the mail's returned unclaimed. Yes. Is it good faith to continue to send my mail to 1023 Kitchen Dick Road, where I've been wanting to speak to Marilyn, the wife of Mike Van Pryor? I think it's in bad faith to not change the address of a party named in a court case. Yes. What if somebody wanted access to my public records? Ouch! You know, this whole idea of good faith, where I inform law enforcement that I want notice of court hearings and I'm homeless. Yes, I don't have a mailing address. Oh! And in bad faith, they decide, no, we're not going to give them notice of court hearings. We have no obligation. Is it bad faith to not give a person... Ouch! Now, I'm going to sue you for this, okay? The bad faith of police departments, the bad faith of sheriff's departments, the bad faith. Oh, I know. You said you attempted service twice before you issued the protection order on July 31st of 2015. Yes, but as a party named, I don't think you attempted service on me. It must have been somebody else. Was it the individual that you served after you served me? Ouch! Now, I would say that there's something very, very bad here. Yes. Now, there is in these rules, look at, I put this here, be at least 18 years of age, professional guardians. Yeah, to be certified as a guardian, be of sound mind. Pooch, have no felony or misdemeanor convictions involving moral turpitude. Could you give me every guardian that is certified as a guardian in every court system of the United States? You know, not being of sound mind because of you violating my rights for the last 7 years and 2 months. I realize that if I wanted to apply for certification as a guardian ad litem, or any other type of guardian, yes, to get that professional guardian, yes, where I receive my compensation from those that are wards of the court. It's so important to not have to have mental health evaluations without any evidence being admitted to the court. Yes, somehow violates procedural due process and substantive due process. And then when I email the Washington State Supreme Court since approximately November, December of 2015 that my rights are being violated, ouch, because the court order itself says that I did not receive actual notice of court hearings. Yes, you didn't. I'm going to need to know every guardian in every court system that is certified to be of sound mind. Over the age of 18. Yeah. No misdemeanor convictions, nothing involving moral turpitude. Yes. Now, there's what's known as moral turpitude. You could have a felony that doesn't involve moral turpitude. Yes, you could. But for every individual in every court system that is a guardian, yes, of any individual that could be an infant, could be one of these elders, ouch, could be a retardo. I'm going to need to know who they are and why they're certified. Chow. Now, as an individual that's always considering employment, oh, look at an emergency tag. I put that on here. Oh, definition of the practice of law. Pooch. Isn't it important to understand exactly what the practice of law is? Yes, general definition. The practice of law is the application of legal principles and judgment with regard to the circumstances or objectives of another entity or person which require the knowledge and skill of a person trained in the law. Now, this includes, but is not limited to, yes, giving advice or counsel to others as to their legal rights, or the legal rights or responsibility of others for fees or other consideration. Just so you know what the practice of law is. The selection, drafting, or completion of legal documents or agreements which affect the legal rights of an entity or person. Now, this selection, yes, drafting or completing of legal documents, known as the practice of law, that affects my legal rights, the legal rights of my sons, and effectively the legal rights of those that are in bar associations, those elected to office. Ouch! Ouch! I think I'm going to sue you for violating what is known as the definition of practice of law. See, when I email RI, I can't fucking believe this!